Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Sahib Quran Academy. This video is very important for you people. My name is Sahib and I have graduated from university with 16 years of education and also graduated from a religious school with Alif Quran and expertise in Tajweed Quran. This video is about the Quran is easier for everyone. Some people say that we have no time, and some people say that I won't. But Allah Almighty said in the Quran that certainly they made the Quran is easier for everyone who will remember. And just like in many time in the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty focus that Quran is very easy for everyone. Because many people, many small children, they memorize the Holy Quran in the age of 10, in the age of 11, 14. But some people say that I am in the age of 17, so that is why I can't remember the Holy Quran and I can't start the recitation of the Holy Quran. So start from a few words every day and start from a short words, short sentences, and then a short surah, because Quran is light for everyone. Quran is light in the darkness. Quran is peace for the hearts, and Quran is guidance for the justice. So remember, Quran is very easy if you want to remember. For this purpose, we create this Sahib Quran Academy for everyone who want to contact with us. No matter anywhere in the world you are, in the US, UK, or other part of the world, so you can contact our academy. We have our one-on-one session line, and you can contact me on WhatsApp number. If you find the video is informative for you people, so please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.